Pupo.
Hello, Phil.
TekMark.
Yes.
What do we have here at ABE?
At the ABE, we have mostly Tektronix equipment, but we also have some equipment from a couple of our other suppliers. One of them is a company called Telarity. Telarity is a encoder manufacturer. They do H.264 encoders, which can be streamed over IP and ASI, of course. And I guess various different quality levels from broadcast through to backhaul and for monitoring applications. We've just started working with these guys, so hopefully there's a little bit of interest. And
they're quite established in the States, aren't they?
Telarity, as far as I'm aware, yes. Like I said, we've only just started working.
Okay.
We've also got HDMI testers from Content+. Not really broadcast, but more from the display side of things, so checking HDMI compliant devices, set-top boxes and all that sort of stuff. We do sell some of these to people like Oscar, for example, check all their set-top boxes and stuff. And the other thing, we've got monitors from a company called Bron out of Korea.
That's good.
Really.
Bron? And they're out of Korea.
Bron Electronics, Korean company.
Okay. And so what sort of monitors for?
All the way from grade 1 down to whatever, so professional broadcast, grade 2 monitors, ranging from 9-inch up to 50 whatever inches. So I don't know the full range.
That's okay.
There's quite a few in there. We're also showing, I've got to put my glasses on for this, a piece of software called VidChecker, from a company called VidCheck out of UK. And the idea of VidCheck is essentially to check the file-based media.
Okay.
But it also does automated correction for loudness, audio levels, as well as video, RGB, gamut correction, and so on. So it's all part of the software. It's an intelligent correction system, which is not like squeezing the lights or compressing the lights. So it corrects it properly. So that's new here as well. And I don't have it up, but we also have another company called TestVid that supply products called TVids, which are a bunch of uncompressed test files for checking encoders and sort of encoding systems, I guess, in all the different formats.
Okay.
Then we move on to Tektronix. Tektronix, we've got some scopes up here. Tek are pretty much a scope company, so we thought we'd bring a couple of those on there. And beyond that, we have some of the new video capabilities, video monitoring capabilities. We're demonstrating loudness monitoring capabilities. It's a loudness session display here, and loudness metering up on the audio display at the top there. All compliant to the ITU 787 standards, which are, I guess, not altogether finalised, but it's what people are starting to adopt as far as loudness.
It's where it's heading.
The WFM 5000 and WVR 5000, these are our sort of low-cost offerings for edit suites, ingest suites, camera positions, and so on. And over here, the new WFM 8300, which is a 3 gigabit platform for monitoring 3 gigabit signals. But what we're showing here is monitoring 3D.
I was going to ask you about that.
Yes, so 3D, the way it works, we've got left eye and right eye. Yep. So we've got the ability to look at both signals simultaneously. And I guess the idea is to be able to, firstly, when you've got 3D signals, you need to make sure that the 3D signals themselves match as far as quality is concerned, colour, amplitudes, all those sorts of things. But you also need to check to make sure that both signals are arriving at the same time. You don't want any timing difference between those two, yep. You don't want to drive the human brain crazy. And then the third thing is separation, or there's another word for it. It's got
the convergence point, or
convergence, and also how far back you're
depth
going,
of field,
how far forward, all of those. So you want to be able to quantify the difference between the left channel and the right channel, so you can determine where the comfortable position is for the human eye to converge the signal properly.
Okay.
So that's the idea of the. It's called sync view.
Yep.
Yeah, and allows you to look at both.
Okay. Have any of the, given we've had the 3D trials here earlier this year, did any of this kit
No, unfortunately, this
arrived
is brand
afterwards?
new.
Okay, no, not to worry.
This is brand new. So
But have people been expressing interest in this? With
a little bit of interest, I guess. Channel 9 were a little bit interested when I sent out a little note about it just recently. But as it is right now, I think the trials have been finished.
Yep.
It's kind of, I'm not quite sure where it's at. Maybe it's where to from here as far as actually doing something with 3D. I don't know. Maybe you can tell me.
well, I think it's in the hands of the regulators.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah.
All right.
And I guess over on this bench we're just showing Cerify, software-only version of Cerify. Instead of once Electron used to sell a hardware-based system, which was pretty expensive, we're now down to Windows-based software, and the entry point's a lot cheaper. It's around about the 15k mark for a single channel, and that can be expanded to multiple channels, so you can do multiple streams simultaneously for file QC. Automated file QC, and integrates with the workflow, the automation systems, the content management systems, and so on, so that it's a seamless operation. And so that's Cerify. And over here we're showing some MPEG analysis tools and quality of experience analysis tools. We've got this new piece of software up here called EQS 1000, which essentially does some quality monitoring on the actual baseband video. It allows to check for blockiness, for black frames, for
all sorts of stuff.
all sorts of stuff.
That's right.
So the idea is to be able to actually monitor what the viewer is experiencing at the remote site. And that's
pretty much it.
Yeah, some DTV monitoring probes. We've now got IPTV monitoring probes, QAM, QPSK, and Optum monitoring for both the RF layer, transport stream layer, and the transport stream layer, so both cross layers.